Cumulus clouds, is there anything more stunning? And what a joy to paint! This tutorial covers everything from the drawing stage, the use of my very favorite sky color, additives to help slow the drying time so those clouds can remain super soft. You'll see the palette to create colorful shadows and the importance of making subtle color shifts. I'll show you how to put a super simple landscape in and a trick to make your sky look even larger and grander. I'll show you the special brand of brushes I use to get those all-important soft edges. You'll see how I blended and softened those transitions of color. Then that all-important teaching on how to get a crisp edge that looks believable. This 37-minute tutorial is now available on my brand new website, victoriahagemanart.com, where you'll also find very affordably priced courses, shorter tutorials, and some great free stuff. See the links in the description box below.